I hear IEMs are becoming very popular for gaming, so I replaced my gaming headphones with this. And the results were very unexpected. Shocking. Oh my god, 5-player kill streak. Whoa, 10-player kill streak. Oh my god, I got play of the game. Cannot believe I'm doing so well. And Lion did send me this pair of Kimura Duo. This is by no means sponsored. They're not paying me to say anything, so everything said here is a gamer's honest perspective. So let's get into it. This is not just a simple IEM. See this thing sticking out here from the cables? This is a mic. So this makes it great for streaming, great for gaming with your friends. And that meant I had to game on it to test it out. So we're gonna fast forward all this talking and bring us right into gameplay. I am recording on the Kimura Duo mic, so let me know how it sounds. For the first game, it was a tough one, but what helped was how clear those footsteps sounded. Oh my god! I died. Oh, there's a lot on the right. There's footsteps on the right. I can hear it. Oh, that was a soldier. We are literally trapped here, bro. The footsteps are so clear. Someone on the left. Like, I can hear it's from in front of me. Are we moving forward even? Oh no! Oh, come on. Do not like this at all. Whoa! This is a tough one. And yep, we lost. The next game was a tighter map with lots of narrow walkways and a circular map for the securing of checkpoints. And so being able to hear those footsteps very clearly became very useful. So many sounds everywhere. It's kind of oh my god, someone's on there. Where the hell is everybody? Nice. Nice. Thank you, Mercy. That was a lot. There was so many sounds everywhere. Oh, left. Someone running from here. Oh, come on. Oh, 7-player kill streak. That's not bad. Oh, it's a soldier. He did not look like a soldier. Should have ran away. Nice. Whoa, someone's behind. Come on, explode. Nice. Nice. Oh my god, tanks are so scary. Woo! Come on. Yes! And there we go, not that. Now, for the final game, I think this was when I really got the hang of how things sounded with the Kimura Duo. Or maybe luck was on my side and I just got really good teammates and I just stole all their kills. You tell me. Come on. Woo! Oh my god, 5-player kill streak. Whoa, we are. Whoa, 10-player kill streak. Oh, hiding. Whoa, someone killed me. Oh. Can you join in, my guys? Nice. Our tank is really good. Nice. Woo! 5-player kill streak. I am getting 15:1. I cannot believe I'm doing so well. Oh my god, team kill. 21. I got one of the highest. Oh my god, I got play of the game. Wow, this is probably the best streak I've ever had. 10-player kill streak and another 5-player kill streak and team kill and then play of the game. Holy shit, is the Kimura Duo making me play better? Now moving on to this good old pair of Sony headphones. Look at how tethered they are. And don't worry, we're not gonna go through 3 whole gameplays. We're just looking at the highlights. And I promise I did not play badly on purpose. First, the moment I put on these pair of headphones, it felt like a more cinematic experience. Footsteps sounded more bass heavy. It's not as sharp or clear as the Kimura Duos. So many of them. On the left, there's someone. Ooh, they're just... Oh, I just died. But overall, I did pretty well in the first game. Nice! But the second game was bad. Being able to hear the footsteps, knowing where my enemies were, that became kind of useless when my teammates kept on dying and I was just out there trying to solo things myself. I probably should have waited for them, changed strategies, but I did not and I died a lot. Oh my god, come on. Defeat. We lost. On to the third game. It was a pretty intense start and honestly, with these pair of headphones, it sounded like I was watching a war movie. The sounds were very balanced, cinematic, but a lot was going on. There was a lot of sounds everywhere. Oh my god, there's a lot of things happening. But I got pretty good at taking out my enemies when I went on to higher grounds. However, one of them managed to sneak up my back, and I'm pretty surprised that I did not hear them. So I died. And we lost, eventually. So I'm surprised I actually played way much better with the Kimura Duos. Okay, let's look at the analysis. Let's look at the why I did better with the Kimura Duo compared to my Sony headphones. And this is by no means backed up by scientific theories. Number one, I could have been more focused when I had the Kimura Duo on because I was trying to make a good impression for this video, so I paid more attention while gaming and hence I did better. Or number two, potentially I was just luckier, lousier enemies, hence I did better. Or number three, it could be that the headphones is more immersive, so it gives it a more cinematic, immersive experience when I should be ready to shoot and fight my enemies in the game and not feel like it's a sit-back cinematic experience. So didn't do that well with the headphones. Or number four, it could be that the Kimura Duo has so much clarity, less bass, less immersive, aka less movie-like. So I feel like I'm more ready to game. But please, I am excited to hear what you think, why you think I did better with the Kimura Duo. Now, besides helping me win games and getting play of the games, there are, however, some things I did not like about the Kimura Duos. First, you get it as it is. There is no app to customize EQ. So for those of you who care a lot about that, take note. Number two, cables are actually pretty rigid, like I can feel them on me, and I don't really like to clip this on my shirt when I'm gaming, but I have to because it's so sensitive. It'll pick up the sound of cables shuffling against my shirt if it's not clipped. So I'm recording with the clip on my shirt, so now the mic will not pick up any other sounds except for my voice. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to move around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You don't hear any shuffling, but when I remove this and when it starts shuffling, you're going to hear all the mic, all the cable sound recorded on the mic. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. But of course, I'm just exaggerating. It's not going to be that bumpy. But then again, it might just be a matter of getting used to this. Next, the setup was not as easy as plug and play. See, here was the problem. I tried to use these Y adapters on my PC, but I just could not configure it to work because with Windows, you actually need to identify if it's a mic or a headphone, and it's a guessing game which to click. Also, using the Y adapter does not allow me to record separate mic and audio tracks in OBS. So eventually I had to individually plug into the line out and the microphone ports at the back of my PC to make it work. And because my PC is at the bottom of my desk, the cable does have to stretch pretty long to reach my ears, and maybe because of how long it is stretched, it feels heavier. The final thing is kind of personal to me. It feels weird having a mic right next to my cheek. I'm so scared that I would like do something, make some big actions, and I might hit into the mic, or the mic might hit into my cheek. Like, is it gonna touch my face? Is it not? Is it touch my face? No, yes, no, yes, no. And if it touches my cheeks, it's bad. However, here's why I would recommend this IEMs. Number one, the fit is good, very comfortable ear tips. None of that head fatigue that I get when I wear headphones for too long. I once had this really bad headache and felt all giddy when I wore my Sony headphones to play the forest game, and I felt like puking just 15 minutes into gameplay, so much so that I had to remove the headphones and use my AirPods to feel better. These are great if you've ever experienced that. Plus, if you are a streamer or just someone who cares a lot about styling their hair, these IEMs will not mess up your hair. Also with this, you can easily wear glasses or shades, no problem. Now, the fit. This definitely takes some getting used to, especially for people who has never put this on before. The cable's actually very flexible, so you just have to focus on fitting the earbuds into your ears, and then you curve the cables around your ear to fit it in. And then I would actually clip this on my shirt so that the cables don't run wild. And if you need, they also have smaller earbud and earphone options. Next, passive noise cancellation on these are great because they are in your monitors. This actually cancels out all the sound I'm hearing, like the fans on my PC running, my AC running, the light running. I don't hear any of that. This makes the gameplay immersive enough. ANC headphones are great, but I don't think I need that level of immersion. Plus, I think I played better with these IEMs. Next, sound quality on this is actually good. It has great clarity, not as bass heavy as my Sony's. So very good for gaming. I can hear all the footsteps. Sometimes it felt very overwhelming, but I wouldn't use this for watching movies or listening to music just cause I prefer a wireless setup like with this or with my AirPods Pro. Next, mic quality. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It's pretty good for such a small, compact little thing. But do take note, there's no noise cancelling with this. This is me recording on the Kimura Duo, and you'll see just how noise cancelling this mic is. This is exactly how it's gonna sound when you're slamming your keyboards while gaming, while using this on Discord or with your teammates. It's not noise cancelling at all. Slamming the mouse like that, and you hear exactly how loud it is. Is it annoying enough? I don't know. You tell me. You're the one hearing it. So this is actually very muted to my ears right now. Yeah, if you are on Discord gaming with your friends, they are gonna hear all the clicks and clags, all your background sound with this mic. That being said, I do like this very much for gaming. This is an all-in-one setup. It comes with a great sounding, very nice looking pair of IEMs and this really sensitive mic, and all that for $208 versus $348 for a new pair of Sony headphones. I would still probably go for the headphones because with this, I can use this for literally everything, and I love wireless stuff. But hey, if you are on a budget, you have about $200 and you're looking for something specifically for gaming that has a great microphone that comes attached with it and comes with this beautiful blue resin finish, this Kimura Duo would be something to look at. Let me know what you think of this, yay or nay for gaming. If you're into this, links are below. Black Friday is coming so soon, so watch out for all the deals. And if you're looking to watch more videos like this, I'll leave video links here. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. It does so much for the channel. Stay minty and cheery. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!